Well, good morning, everyone. Time now for your first alert weather forecast. We'll start off in the tropics this morning, where we are watching an area of disturbed weather just north of Bermuda. In fact, we do have a tropical cyclone. It is Tropical Depression number 5. This one producing winds at 35 miles an hour, moving towards the northeast at 20. And later today, it has a very small window, but it could become a tropical storm. If it gets a name, it will be Edouard, and it will be the earliest east storm of the Atlantic basin since we've been keeping records. And then after that, as we head into tonight and into tomorrow, it will interact with unfavorable winds. And then after that, it will slowly fizzle on out. Now, in the meantime, we're also tracking an area of disturbed weather in the Gulf of Mexico, an area of lower pressure that will affect us locally over the next several days. Eventually, it's going to work its way across the southeast. In about 5 days or so, it pushes into the Atlantic, and that's when it will have about a 30% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone. So there's that low right there developing. Ahead of it, it's going to help to push in a lot of subtropical moisture into South Florida for today. And as a result, we will have a good chance of seeing those afternoon showers and thunderstorms, about a 70% chance. So they'll be scattered to numerous, and some of them could produce heavy rain and gusty winds. We are dry at the moment, but notice we do have a couple of light rain showers along the Gulf Coast, and some of these, if they hold together, could move on in as we head into the next 1 to 2 hours. Here's a live look across South County, Boca Raton, starting off with a mix of sun and clouds this morning as the sun is slowly coming on up. 79 right now into West Palm, 75 Vero, lower 70s back across the lake. And for now, the winds are offshore, but later today the winds go southerly, and that's going to help to send our temperatures back into the lower 90s. And then you factor in the humidity, and it's going to feel like the triple digits. So another hot and humid day. We are quiet through lunchtime, and then after that, we're going to start to see some showers and thunderstorms develop. This is around 2 p.m. You can see a couple popping up along the coast, but most at that point will be on the western side of the lake. And then as we head towards the evening hours, you can see those showers and storms moving towards the I-95 corridor and towards the East Coast metro areas. Some of the rain could be locally heavy, could be dealing with some strong gusty winds. Again, this is during the late afternoon and evening hours, so if you're stepping out to grab some dinner tonight, for sure, take the umbrellas, because this is what we could be dealing with. And then as we head into the overnight hours, those storms start to fizzle on out, but we could still see a lingering rain shower. 92 the forecasted high, a 70% chance of showers and storms. Otherwise, we're partly to mostly cloudy. And then as we head into tonight, temperatures in the middle to the upper 70s, a 20% chance of a passing shower. And your first alert 7-day forecast looks like this, certainly on the hot side over the next couple of days as the winds remain southerly. And as we head into the next few, a good chance of showers and storms.